Hi my little ones, hope you are doing good. Me too, safe. Thank you for your prayers. My little ones, so long, so many worksheets. It's come up till 8 worksheets. We have been learning capital letters and small letters in cursive. It was in different sessions which teachers have been teaching you, and you have learned how to write according to the cursive strokes, right? But now we are going to go one step ahead to learn something more and something useful which helps you to speak English, read English and write English very well. I think you all are eagerly waiting to learn it, right? Yes, that's good. So my little ones, it's easy to write cursive letters separately. Like for example, A and D and. A as it is, An as it is and D as it is. But when you combine together, you might not be knowing how to join. And for some it's easy, for some it's difficult. But we teachers are here to help you to make your writing the best. Not only best, the best. So my sweet ones, I would like to tell you something. It is not only the words. When we give you the words, I request you to learn each and every word by heart with the spelling and the meaning. Why? Because when you read this particular word in any storybook, you will be able to easily read it instead of struggling. So if you by heart the words which comes from page number 9 till I think it is around 36, all these words from A to Z will help you in better reading. My dear ones, so are you eager to learn how to do them? And one more thing, so when we teach these words, we give simple sentences, very simple sentences using these words which you are going to learn now to join them and make a word. So when you frame the sentences using them, it will help you in better speaking too. So it's going to be done in a graphic way. You'll really enjoy it. I believe it. So why waste our time? Let's start it. So here you all have your worksheets. Worksheet number 9 in front of you. You have 4 lines in it. First line you have and, after and any. These 3 words are in the first row. Then coming to again, ask. So when you have this again, ask, they are in the second row. Then the third and fourth is B. That comes later. So how do you join these letters? Just follow me as I am doing it. I am here to help you. So hold your pencils tight. Then just under the word and, you have 2 times space to write this word. You write with me once and with the help of Mama or Papa, you can do the second time. Let's go on. So you have A, capital A. Capital A starts from the 3rd line, it goes up to the first and then comes back and it gets back to the 3rd line without lifting your pencil, my little ones. Take a turn, go to the 2nd line and come down, then to the 3rd line, then move up your hand, finger or pencil to the 2nd line, back to the 3rd and a small curve to make it small letter D. So I just repeat for your sake once. So you will write it from the 3rd line, you will go up, come down straight, take a curve on the 2nd line, then you will come down to the 3rd, go up to the 2nd and then small letter D going up and down to the third with a small tail. And the framing of the sentences, I'll be helping you after we finish how to write all these 6 words. Then, coming to after. So my little ones, the same way how you wrote capital A, let us write it the same way. On the third line, you begin, go up to the first line, just as you did before. Back to the second, take a curve. And this is F. You are not lifting up your pencil, you are taking it up right up to the first line, coming down to the fourth line, making a curve on the third line. Without lifting your pencil, you will again go up. Without touching the first line, you will come down to the third line. Then take a curve. After T, you write E. Then R, going little ahead of the second line. Take a turn, bring it down. After writing only, you will put a line. You will not do it in between when you are writing the word. Let's do it again. You will start on the third line. You will go up to the first, come down, go to the second line, take a curve, up to the first, then back to the fourth. Then a curve on the third line and go up to write T, but it must not touch the first line. Come down to the third line, write E, then next letter R touching the second line and a curve. Then you will put the line, a sleeping line. Then we come to any. Let's start with same capital. We have been writing so many times now. By now, I think you are thorough with A and then Y and then go for the letter Y. Any. So we started on the third line, going up to the first line, then go back to the second, take a curve and N. Just see how my fingers are moving. Then you will be able to write it. Then the last letter is Y. Any. So now we have A-N-D and A-F-T-R after, then A-N-Y, any. Can you repeat after me? Come on. A-N-D and. Once again. A-N-D and. Right. Let's go for the next word. A-F-T-E-R. After. Say it. Yes. A-F-T-E-R. Right, children. Let's go for the third. A-N-Y. Any. A-N-Y. Any. Repeat it. Yes. Very good, children. That's like my little ones. Let's go to the small letters now. It is A-G-A-I-N. Again. So how do we write it? A G touching the line I N. Again, after you complete only, then you will put a dot. Now my little ones, let's repeat it once again. A G A R N. Again. Just repeat after me. A-G-A-I-N. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. Right. That's like good ones. Next we have arm. A-R-M. Arm. So you start writing on the third line. Just simple A. Then R. Then comes M. It touches the second and the third line. Then we have once again repeat A R M. So finally the sixth word we have is ask. A-S-K, ask. Are you enjoying it, children, writing all these words? I cannot hear you. Right. It's nice to hear you that you are enjoying it and learning a new vocabulary. Come on, let's do the last word in the sentence. A, S, K. Then I repeat. A, S, K. That's it. Again, ask. So now, children, we are going to see how the words are going to help us to frame simple sentences. When you see this, you can see uncle and his son are playing. Uncle and his son are playing. We learned the word and. It is used to join the word uncle and his in this sentence. Let's see how to do with the next. Here you see Chris and John are going on skateboards. You know the skateboards. You can see these two people just putting on their legs and just sliding over. They are called as skateboards. So we joined Chris and John using the word and. So it helps us to frame a proper sentence. Chris and John are going on skateboards. That's it. Then when we go for next, in this picture we can see mom and dad are playing with kids. How your mama and dada plays with you, here also mom and dad are playing with kids. And is joining mom and dad in this sentence. It is helping us to frame a new sentence. So here you can see the kids are happy with mama and dada. Then let's go for the next. Raj is crying after the movie. He has seen a movie, he felt sad, he's crying up. So the word after says later. Means he has seen the movie afterwards. Raj is crying after the movie. Then we have you can eat after coming back. You can eat after coming back. It says that after some time. So here one sister is calling the younger sister to come off so that she can eat after. That is after. Then we have here Jia, you need to study after eating. Mom is saying that Jia, you need to eat after study after eating. Jia is busy eating over here. So she is going to study after. After finishing this work, she is going to study. That is after. Then we have, is there any ice cream in the fridge? Any means something, little. Is there any ice cream in the fridge? Any says the quantity. So someone is asking, is there little ice cream in the fridge? Maybe feeling like to eat some cold. Then we have, do you have any more balloons? Do you have any more balloons? Already he is flying with the balloons. He wants some more. He is asking, do you have any more? That is, do you have any more balloons? Then here you can see, are there any fruits to eat? Are there any fruits to eat? So that means you are asking someone like, can I have some fruits? Like, are there any fruits? Then we have, do you have any toys? You all know that it is a toy story. So he is asking the little girl, do you have any toys? Do you have something? It's lovely. Can you draw it again? She has drawn a picture, but we are asking her to draw it again. Again and again. Do it, repeat it. Then finally we have, Mom, please can you read it again? Mom is reading a storybook for this little girl. So the little girl probably did not understand. So she is asking her to read again and again. That is the word, use it again. Then, Ryan, come on, dance again. you can see two little kids. They both are dancing. He's stopping. Ryan is stopping. So his brother says, come on, dance again. Do it again. Then finally, what a strong arm you have. So my little ones, you can see a big strong man over here and he's showing his arm. And the little fellow is surprised and seeing such a big arm, strong arm he has. That's a word which we have learned today. And I have strong arms. One was showing the one arm. This little girl is showing both the arms. Strong arms. Did you follow, my little ones? Good. Then, what did the waiter ask? What did the waiter ask? You can see he is going with a plate. Ask. You'll ask somebody, can I have some water? Ask. Asking. Yes. Then, did she ask for help? So, you can see a girl who's drowning the water. Did she ask for some help? Yeah, she did. I need your help, she's saying. Yes, she did ask for help. Then we have, what did the dentist ask? When you go to a dentist, he'll ask you so many questions. Where's the pain? What happened for you? What did you eat? So many questions. This is how dentist is asking a question. So with this, I think you have understood 6 words which are on capital A3 and small letter 3 letters. Hope you understood. So we are going to help you slowly, little by little, to learn you so many words as much as possible and to put them in proper sentences by which you can speak good English. Okay kids, see you then, bye bye.